घोषणा इसकी 17 तारीख को होगी।
Sanjay, आप बने रहिए हमारे साथ। According to sources, the front runner for the chief minister's post and Delhi cabinet berths include Parvesh Verma, Vijendra Gupta, Manjinder Singh Sirsa, Rekha Gupta, Mohan Singh Bisht, Harvinder Singh Lovely, Satish Upadhyay, Karnail Singh and Pawan Sharma as well. संजय, बड़े नाम आ रहे हैं साथ में मुख्यमंत्री को लेकर। आशीष सूद का भी नाम आ रहा है, पवन शर्मा का भी नाम आ रहा है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी और आरएसएस से जुड़े हुए हैं ज़मीनी तौर पर। क्या लगता है आपको कि किसका चांस लगेगा मुख्यमंत्री बनने पर?
देखिए, ये सारी कयासबाजी फिलहाल, क्योंकि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जब तक नाम फाइनल नहीं कर देते, क्योंकि बीजेपी की तमाम जो सेंट्रल लीडरशिप है, बीजेपी के केंद्रीय नेतृत्व है, उसने लगभग 1 दर्जन नामों की छटनी की है। वो सारे के सारे नाम प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के सामने रखे जाएंगे। प्रधानमंत्री चाहेंगे उन 1 दर्जन नामों में से किसी चेहरे का नाम सिलेक्ट करेंगे या फिर कोई अलग नाम प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी दे सकते हैं। तो बीजेपी का जो सेंट्रल लीडरशिप है उसको पूरी तरह से बात रखनी पड़ेगी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी की, क्योंकि उनकी बात का मायना है कि फैसला। तो प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी किस नाम को महत्व देते हैं, किसको तवज्जो देते हैं। जहां तक आपने बात की आशीष सूद की, तो वो एक पंजाबी चेहरे हैं, साथ ही साथ अमित शाह के भी करीबी माने जाते हैं। जम्मू कश्मीर के सब प्रभारी हैं, गोवा के भी प्रभारी हैं आशीष सूद। तो उनका भी नाम चर्चा में है, लेकिन क्या पंजाबी सीएम बनाना है या किसी जाट को सीएम बनाना है, महिला को मुख्यमंत्री बनाना है, वैश्य समाज का सीएम बनाना है या फिर किसी सिख को सीएम बनाना है, तो इन बातों का फैसला प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी करने वाले हैं और ये जेपी नड्डा और अमित शाह के साथ बैठक में प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी तय करेंगे।
Priya Sehgal, editorial director of NewsX, also with us on the broadcast. Priya, thank you for being here. Well, you know, this is like deja vu, isn't it? This is so similar to the way the Bharatiya Janata Party gets to decide its chief minister. You know, they win an election, then there is a cloud of mystery for a lot of days, a few names are strewn about, and then this high profile meeting happens and a chief minister is decided. And, you know, more than many a times, Priya, the chief minister has been somebody anonymous in political echelons.
Yeah, actually, Vineet, what you're saying is absolutely right. But with Prime Minister Modi, there is no set formula. You know, I was just going over the chief minister he's appointed. In some cases, it's a low-profile person who fits in whether a caste bracket or a gender bracket or a criteria, as is what happened in Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, even the deputy CM over there. But sometimes it is the force of the personality that takes over. You know, where we saw Hemanta Biswa Sarna and Devendra Fadnavis, who were finally given their due. In Haryana, for instance, Manohar Lal Khattar is a non-Jat chief minister of Haryana. He did not fill in the caste bracket, but he came in through the trust equation he enjoyed with the prime minister. So we can say it was the sheer force of his personality. But his successor, Naib Singh Saini, came in because he also fulfilled. He was an OBC, and at that time the Congress was raising a big deal about the caste census and the OBC factor. So they promoted him to stump that. So you know, we can't say there is a formula that the prime minister does. या तो वो caste को करते हैं, region को, or a gender balance, or he chooses people who are tall leaders. He's done a mix of everything. So here also, if you look at the list of names, which is why the list is so long. You know, the short list is 10 people or 12 people, which is 1/3 of the MLAs elected. That shows that we really have no clue what the prime minister is thinking. He is. It could be Parvesh Verma, who is a giant killer. Incidentally, we need giant killers are not rewarded much by the Prime Minister. Smriti Irani, for instance, after defeating Rahul Gandhi from Amethi, we all thought she'll be given a big ticket cabinet berth, but that didn't happen. She was given textiles. She was even removed from HRD. So, with this Prime Minister, nothing is certain. Nothing is certain, except the fact that it probably will be a 13th name than the 12th name we've taken. That much perhaps may happen. Having said that, I do see some of the criteria coming into play because there is no personality that stands out in Delhi. Really, I mean, we don't have a tall leader like a Madan Lal Khurana. I think there will be these equations that you mentioned that will come into play. Probably a Sikh or a leader, because Punjab elections are due next year, and the government does have a trust deficit with the Sikh farmers. So perhaps to send a message over there, it could be Sirsa or Lovely or any one of the leaders, the names you mentioned. But in this case, whoever it will be the Prime Minister calling the shots. Delhi is a trophy state, is a capital city. I think over here it would be whoever it is, because they've already announced the plans. Before the chief minister coming, they've already said Yamuna cleaning will start. That's a priority. So they are going ahead with implementing the manifesto regardless of who is going to be sitting in that chair.
You're absolutely right, Priya. And that's exactly what we're going to witness in the next few days to come. And sources have also revealed that BJP central leadership will